Don't assume that the only type of message you can send in Teams is a single line of text. As well as allowing you to give your message a subject, clicking on the Expand Formatting button opens up many more options. You can apply additional formatting such as bold, italic and underline. If you want a bulleted list or a numbered list, then you can have one. Styles, indents, quotes, and so much more. Much more than just a simple line of text, that's for sure. Don't forget to click the send button when you have finished.